Good morning, everyone. I am Cristel Aradilios, and my topic for today is the types of workplace teams. Most common types of work teams. Number one is project team, two cross-functional team, and three self-directed work team. Project team. A project team is pretty much what it sounds like, a group of people brought together to accomplish a particular project. Sometimes project teams are referred to as steering committees or task forces. Typically, when the project ends, the team ends. Ang project team, it sounds like a group of people brought together. Ang goal nila ani is ma-accomplish nila ang ilang particular project. If mahuman ang project, dira sad mahuman ang ilahang team. Cross-functional team, it's made up of employees from different departments or areas of the business. Ang cross-functional team is naadiri ang mga employee gihapon nga gikan sa lain-lain nga department or area of the business. Self-directed work team. A self-directed work team, it's just what it sounds like. A team determine how it will get a job done and has the authority and often the budget to carry out decisions. Ang gining self-directed work team is a group of employees who are responsible for completing a whole piece of work without direct supervision. Sila sad ang ga-determine kung kanusa mahuman ang isa ka trabaho, sila sad ang ga-budget, sila ang ga-carry out decision.